YouTube? Your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. Today we're going to be going over a much asked question, and it's, do the police have a problem with my tint? Let's go straight over it, guys. Okay, so for you that don't know, back window, you know, 5%. Can't see anything through there. It is a little rainy out, cloudy, but can't see anything through there. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, any type of weather. So that's 5% on the back. On the quarter windows, I have 5% and also a layer of a Euro tint, so you definitely can't see in there at all. Oh, there you go, you kind of see in there. But yeah, that's 5% on the quarter panel with another layer of Euro on top. It's 5% on the back window with a little window shade in there. You can barely see in there. Got the window shade in there. Then we have 5% on the front, you know. Barely see in that joint. Then we have this strip, which is technically illegal because if you want to have this strip, it has to be it has to be under the AS1 line, which is right there. As you can see, the AS1 little line, so it could be from there on up. As you can see, mine's is pretty much double the distance is supposed to be down. So technically this is illegal, but who really cares? I mean, I did get stopped for because it was all the way down here for real, so I just removed that extra layer and left this because, you know. But yeah, technically, yeah, you can't get pulled over for having that. Okay, going back around to the front windshield. Luckily, I have not been stopped for the front windshield, guys, so I don't know. 50% might be the way. This is 50% on the shield. As you can see, it's a rainy day. Let me back up. I mean, you definitely can't really see who's really driving anyway. Maybe you can tell maybe like a shadow or so, but you feel me? You can see the difference. No tint fitting, so you definitely can't really see who's really driving in there. And then you feel me? It's not so dark where the police be, oh yeah, you feel me? That windshield was black and that bad was smacked out, you know? But it's decent for real. Definitely decent. It's 50 on the shield. And, you know, same thing on this side, 5. As you see, nice icy reflection. Can't see nothing but me, like a mirror. 5 again. What's up, guys? And, you know, 5 on the back. So, did the police really mess with me? So far, no, not really. Let's see. I have probably been stopped twice, and I had this tint on ever since I had the car, so pretty much a year now. And as you can see, this tint's still on there, so I haven't gotten any repair orders or anything. That's 5 and 50 on the windshield with the strip. Most people just probably do like 5 on these, and then like a light 35, which is legal here in Maryland, on the back window. But man, let's get 5 all around. I mean, if they're gonna stop you, feel me, you might as well go dark or no tint at all, you feel me? But no, they really don't really stop me. Like this one, look on this side, 50 with the 5. So, you know, driving around the night, I mean, the daytime is perfect, you feel me? Nobody can see you at nighttime. There's a little dark on the sides, but yeah, once you get used to it, you be all right. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, if you was thinking about getting 5s and, you know, slight little 50 on the shield, I definitely recommend it, because here in Maryland, well, with my luck, you feel me, I haven't really been stopped, really. So, that's my overview of having these dark tints. Do the police like it? No. Do I care? No. You feel me? They ain't gonna stop me. But, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Till next time. Go.